السلام عليكم ورحمة الله نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. My name is Junaid Tamim. My madrasa name is Markazul Quran Madrasa. It is situated at Paschim Baghdad, Kotiadi, Kishorganj. Our madrasa is very beautiful. It was established in 1984. There are 3 buildings in our madrasa. There are 9 experienced teachers for 350 students. Our madrasa classes are play, nursery 1, 2, 3, Nazarahib and Kitab Division, Bangla, English, Mathematics, Hadith, Kalima, Masala, Dua, Asmaul Husna, Arabic. Subjects are taught in Bangla and English version. There are also Arabic and Urdu version. Our madrasa is operated by a well-organized smart committee. Our madrasa goes beautifully. Our madrasa is controlled by 24 hours CC camera. Our result is better than any other madrasa at Kotiadi. I feel very proud and happy to study here. I respect all for being present here. Thank you so much everyone. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.